Hi guys, MOT here and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can translate a user manual from any language to whichever language you want automatically and instantly using your Android device. Now to get started, what you'll need to do is go into the Play Store and install Google Translate. Once that is done, you'll need to open Google Translate and you'll need to go in camera and grab the document that you have. So in this case, I am not exactly sure which language this document is written in. I'm thinking it's either Chinese or Japanese. And I'm gonna select the translate from option, and Google Translate does give you the option to detect the language as well, which is what I'm gonna do. And then I'm saying that it should translate it to English. Now I'm gonna move the document in front of the camera, and it does take it a little bit time. So one thing guys need to note is that there needs to be the right lighting, and also you don't want to move your camera even a little bit when you're trying to instantly translate the document, because as you guys saw that sometimes the translation was off, and yeah. And as you guys can see, now I have this document translated from Chinese to English. The translation, um, it's not 100% accurate sometimes, because you might have noticed on a daily basis when you're using Google Translate as well. But yeah, like it kind of makes it a lot more easier for anyone to figure out what they need to do to get things done. Now they do have a scan option as well. Um, and if I move the document in front of the camera and take a picture, Google Translate will scan the document, and then what I need to do is I'm telling the document, hey, I only want this portion to be translated. So I'm gonna select it, and then there we go. So I got it into text as well, and if I need to send it to someone, I can copy the text as well. Pretty useful feature, and yeah, that's it. That's how you can translate a document automatically, instantly, using Google Translate. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys find this video very useful.